Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you guys the Walgreens ad for next week for January 13th through January 19th. Now, again, they're back to their same old thing. It's going to be kind of a slow week. I think the week that's going on right now is a good week, so if you guys definitely want to make multiple trips to Walgreens, definitely go for it. But they usually do this 10 times everyday points when they know the ad's kind of slow. So we got that, but it does say 10 times everyday points when you guys spend $20 or more. I never really do that because I always pay with points, so you don't really get points if you pay with points. I know, it's kind of weird, but there is that. They do have Crunch and Butterfinger Nestle candy for 39 cents. Now in the past they've had it where if you buy 6, a Catalina pops out, so then I've seen people get tons and tons of candy bars for those, so hopefully those Catalinas might work for that. But 39 cents for those is a great price. They have General Mills cereal, 2 for $4. There was $1 off I have the hiccups. There was $1 off a 2 coupon from coupons.com. You guys would pay $3. If you guys haven't already did this deal on Savings Star, there's also $1 off a 2 deal on Savings Star, making each box $1. So if you guys are interested in cereal, I always like to pay $1 for cereal. $1 or less is what I like. Pringles, they have an online coupon for 3 for $4. There's $1 off of 3, making them $1 a piece. That's a pretty good deal. Pringles, I always like to pay $1 for Pringles. That's just the way I am. Here we got some candy. They got the Valentine's Day candy out. Now please keep in mind to check out your guys' Christmas stuff. They're right now 70% off, but I heard on possibly the 16th they might go 90% off. So I'm going to check back and see what goes for 90% off during that time. But here we got just a lot of food. Nothing that's really popping out. Tic Tacs. I do believe there's a coupon. I don't know if it expired yet, but there was a Tic Tac coupon out there. Oreo Cookies sounds super good right now. They got Ben & Jerry's 2 for $8. That's the cheapest I ever see that stuff, hardly all the time. But General Mills cereal's back again. They have eggs 2 for $3. I can get my eggs for 89 cents somewhere else. So there's that. A lot of paper products. They got the Nice brand baggies, so if you guys need baggies, sandwich baggies, freezer baggies, storage baggies, those are 99 cents. It does say a limit of 4, so those are that's a pretty good price. I have not seen Ziploc go on sale in forever, so if you guys need baggies, the Nice brand is just as good. Most of the time they have the same companies make it, they just put different brands on it. Here we got the Nice brand of Walgreens for paper towels, but it's only a 2-pack. Those are 2 for $6. Not a good deal. Angel Soft $2.99 with a 50-cent off online coupon. Here we got OxyClean $3.99. As far as I know, there's no coupons out there, so there's not much going on. It's going to be kind of a slow week, but hey, it's still better than there's that. They got some Gillette stuff, Pure. It's some Gillette new stuff. It shows that if you guys buy 2, you get 5,000 points. Now, I don't know how much Gillette stuff is included, but that is kind of cool. We do have Perel, buy 1, get 1 free. There are $1 off coupons that you guys can print off, but you can only use 1 coupon because you cannot use a coupon on a free item. They also have the same deal with the Listerine. I'm hoping my Listerine resets on Ibotta, but they have it where if you spend 10, you get 5,000 points. So there are some Listerine coupons that we just recently got. Crest, it's buy 1, get 1 50% off, and then you get 2,000 points when you buy 2. I don't know what deals we could do with that. We do have Colgate coupons, but I don't think the coupons work for that. But these are 99 cents, so 99 cents for toothbrushes is a pretty decent deal. Olay and Old Spice is buy 1, get 1 50% off. It says if you buy 4, you get a $5 registry reward, so I'm hoping there's an online coupon for that, so crossing our fingers for that. A lot of registry reward deals, but nothing that's really popping out. So here we got some makeup. Nothing's really popping out in the makeup. They got the L'Oreal deal. Again, it's 2 for $8. Now we do have a 4 off of 2 coupon that we just got this past Sunday's paper, plus there is a 2 off of 2 coupon in the ad, so those come out to be $1 a piece. So if you guys have those coupons, go for it. I like to stock up on stuff like that. Scootsie and Conair are 99 cents. So if you guys need some hair products or hair elastic things, 99 cents is good. Now we are getting Wet n Wild coupons. I used to get Wet n Wild coupons all the time. I stopped getting them. They're 40% off, and then there's coupons. I probably won't do those deals because I don't get those coupons, and I'm not ordering coupons this week. There's just not anything that's popping out. Here they got a lot of lotions and all that stuff. Buy one, get one 50% off. Baby stuff, it looks like if you spend 50, you get 10,000 points. So nothing that's really popping off on that. But here they got some Advil Robitussin. If you guys buy 2, you get 3,000 points. Now those coupons that we just got actually expire that Sunday. So if you guys need that stuff, Sunday's the last day to do it. But I say do it this week. It's a better deal. Plus if you guys haven't done your Saving Star stuff, that's why you want to do that. So wanted to share with you guys with that. Nothing else going on with the medicines. Vitamins are always buy one, get one free, or buy one, get one 50% off. So I don't really care much for vitamins. I very seldomly ever really look at vitamins for couponing. And now we're on the last page of the ad. I dropped my camera. They got L'Oreal. If you buy 2 products, you get $5. Now, I do know there's coupons out there, so hopefully there's a lot of discontinued stuff, so we can maybe get some secret deals on that. Puffs and Dawn are 99 cents. There's online coupons making them 25 cents off. The Scott's paper towels, again, $5. There's that $1.25 off Walgreens booklet coupon. Plus, we have the 50-cent off coupons. Plus, there might be, if it resets, the $1 off Ibotta, if it still lets us do that. So that's a pretty good deal. But other than that, it's going to be an okay week. Nothing really popping up, but some stuff might surprise us. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.